And still on education, we go to West Kingston, where police and soldiers have been helping out in the community, and it has left parents and students beaming. KRISTA Campbell has that story.
Police stationed in West Kingston communities. It's not an unusual sight for an area prone to crime and violence. What's uncommon is these children lined up to see the police, and this comment from a parent.
They were very professional also, the soldiers and the police officers.
Today, no one's in trouble. In fact, the police are only here to ensure it stays that way. Detective Inspector Pinmar Powell says she was moved to help because of the many students who were unable to access their schoolwork online.
Sometimes we see them swinging on the trees. We see them getting involved in fights. So if we can help them, as the different stakeholders across Jamaica can help these children to stay inside. If you realize all these pamphlets, all these booklets, they have a COVID pamphlet to keep them educated.
She contacted the Education Ministry, which, along with schools in the area, sent materials for the students. For parents like Sabrina Williams, who do not have internet access and wasn't getting any educational materials from her child's school, the move is appreciated.
The only complaint I had was you're not entitled to 2 packages, meaning if you wanted language arts and maths together, you can't get them. You only can choose one. That was the only problem I have, but I take it nevertheless because he has something to do to keep him occupied, and that's good.
So they get like 2 maths, 2 English for now, and let us see where it goes from there. For grade 9 and 10, we mostly got some mathematics, but for the 4, 5, 6, they get maths and English. The 7 and 8, we have some 9 that have English, so it depends on the amount that has been printed, but we want for every child to even get 4 set of work, 4 pieces of work in a package.
Detective Inspector Powell says the police started promoting the initiative last week by driving through the communities. And when they started issuing the packages on Monday, the response was surprising and overwhelming.
There were parents at the centers from 7 o'clock in the morning. It gave them a relief that the children can stay inside and do some schoolwork.
Principal for the Charlie Smith High School, Anthony Garwood, says the initiative is a major boost to a similar move his school made 2 weeks ago to get learning materials to students who were not able to get them online.
Last week we had 43 packages picked up. Yesterday for grade 7 alone we had 77. And we cater not just to Charlie Smith High, but to other other high schools in the community. We do the worksheet for the students who can't access internet or have a device. So they will do the worksheet on a Monday and a Tuesday and drop it off back on the following Monday.
It is not just the schools within the Kingston Western Division. It is for all children who attend school and cannot access the online portal will be benefiting from these printed materials.
KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.